everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So almost a month before I did a video on how to order and unboxing the Ravel Care hair kit. So today finally the time has came to review the product. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. Before starting this video, I want to tell you that I'm using this shampoo from almost 1.5 months. I completed one of it, like one complete bottle of the Ravel Care shampoo, and also this is my second one which I almost completed half of it. So I'm giving this review after using it for almost 1.5 months so that it will be helpful for you to clear all the concerns that you're having in your mind. Maybe you're thinking, does it really worth the money you're spending on it? Does it really differ from the normal shampoo? Okay, let's start reviewing the shampoo from the hair goals I've selected while ordering the shampoo. So Ravel Care allows you to select 5 hair goals while preparing your customized shampoo. So today I am going to review one by one all the hair goals, and I will tell you that did this shampoo help you to achieve all the 5 hair goals. So let's start. First hair goal is anti-dandruff. When it comes to this hair goal, I want to tell that Ravel really did best in this particular anti-dandruff thing, because I've tried many other shampoos earlier but I never seen this much difference when it comes to the Ravel. So because I have seen the difference after 2 to 3 washes, so I want to give 9 out of 10 for this particular hair goal to Ravel Care. Okay, the next hair goal I selected is anti-hair fall. So coming to this particular hair goal, I can say that hair fall doesn't completely depends upon the shampoo that you are using. Hair fall depends upon multiple factors, like if you're having proper sleep, proper healthy lifestyle and healthy food intake. So when it comes to anti-dandruff, that if it is clearing your scalp properly or not. So in that particular hair goal, I can say that Ravel has done excellent job. But when it comes to the hair fall, it is not only the shampoo's duty, but also it depends upon how your body is reacting. So for this particular hair goal, I cannot give you the exact rating like 9, 8 or 10, because it completely depends upon your lifestyle. So sometimes I have seen like almost 5 to 10 strands in a day, but that is completely normal. Sometimes even less than that, sometimes it is more than that. It completely depends on how much stress I'm taking every day and how much time I'm working, how much time I'm sleeping. If you want me to review, so I will give it 8 out of 10, because it didn't make it worse. Like it didn't if there are few shampoos that if it doesn't suit for you, it will there is a increase of hair fall, but it doesn't happen with me with this shampoo. So for that particular reason, I want to give 8. Okay, coming to the third hair goal, that is anti-frizz. So I want to give for this particular hair goal maybe 7 out of 10, because I personally didn't felt it did its job in case of anti-frizz. I don't want to compare with any other shampoos, but because I haven't used any other customized shampoo, this is my first customized shampoo, so I cannot compare with the customized shampoos. But when I compare with the normal shampoos which are like sulfate, which are not sulfate free, I felt those done better in case of frizziness. So I guess Ravel should work more upon this. I didn't felt it did great in case of frizziness. Okay, I think we are done with the 3. I think this is the 4th one. It is a voluminize. So when it comes to this, okay, I'm really happy about this because it actually did a great job. When it comes to voluminize, I want to give 9.5. So because it really did its job, and you can see how much volume it increased. So for this particular hair goal, Ravel did its best. Coming to the last and final hair goal, that is fixing split ends. So when it comes to that, I really want to say the Ravel did good at this point as well, at this hair goal as well, because my hair is my hair used to get split ends very quickly. So just before buying and just before using the Ravel hair care, I did fix my split ends. So I wanted to see if it really reducing split ends quickly. So I can see that there are very less split ends in my hair. So I want to give it 8 out of 10. 8 because it completely didn't reduce, but at the same time it controlled a lot. We are done with all the 5 goals, and if you want me to tell the overall experience of using Ravel hair care shampoo, it is doing great. But when it comes to the experience of using it, I want to tell you, like, for the first 2 washes you may feel difficult using this shampoo, because it's not like your regular shampoo. It's something which is sulfate free, so you will not get that experience like more foam when you're shampooing. So you will feel that if you are a person like me, who likes to keep so much oil before shampooing, so you may feel difficult for the first 2 times of shampooing, but later definitely feel easy and it will be not difficult. So when it comes to the conditioner, I want to rate 7.5 to 8, because the only disappointment is the frizziness, as I told earlier. So it would be great if they work more on the frizziness. Apart from that, keeping your hair smooth and silky, I guess yes, it is doing great job. So only one thing I didn't like is the frizziness. That's why I'm giving 8 out of 10. Coming to the next product that we have in Ravel hair kit is oil. So oil, I almost complete bottle of this. So it is actually good because it is having so many different oils. Like generally whenever you are oiling your hair, you mix 2 to 3 different oils like coconut oil, almond oil and castor oil. So basically this particular hair oil contains all those oils, so it is best because you don't need to buy different oils, because it completely have all those oils like coconut oil, sunflower oil, onion oil, olive oil, argan oil, almond oil, jojoba, BHT and vitamin E. So I still remember when we were in intermediate, we used to oil hair with coconut, and also we used to buy small vitamin E capsules and then apply it to hair. So it's good that it is having all hair oils in one bottle. So I guess you can try this one as well. The next one is a serum. So when it comes to the serum, you can see I didn't use much of it. I actually used not even 1/4, because I personally didn't felt serum is doing great, because I didn't saw that frizziness control after using serum. Before using Ravel, I used to use Streaks. So I liked more than Ravel serum. So this is one more thing which I didn't like in the Ravel hair kit. So maybe it will work for you, but I personally didn't felt it is working great on my hair. So ending this video, I want to tell you 2 things to keep it in your mind when you are buying a new product or using a new thing. So do not keep higher expectations before it comes, because when you see the reviews, like it is like people may say that it is doing miracle, it is doing wonders, but it is doing wonders to the hair or face, whatever the product is. But I want to tell you that do not keep higher expectations before the product arrives and you use it, because when you keep higher expectations and if it doesn't reaches to your expectation, you will definitely stop liking the product. So always keep normal expectations before buying the product. And the second thing is give some time to the product. You will understand only after few usages, so do not judge it or 1 or 2 washes. Personally, when I used the Ravel for the first time, I really felt it is very difficult, because it doesn't give the experience like how the normal shampoos gives, just because it do not have sulfate. So the foaming will be little lesser when it compared to the other shampoos. So I started in the first time I felt okay, this is not that much, but when it comes to my third wash, I personally started liking this shampoo, because the way it's cleaning the scalp and the way it's removing the dandruff, and also some other things, like it didn't one thing I want to make sure is it didn't really made things worse, but also not too much great, but it's in the intermediate, like whatever the shampoo has to do, it is doing, that is great. So what is the third thing you have to keep in your mind is like hair fall doesn't, or hair fall or any other things about hair fall or skin, that completely doesn't depends upon the product, that also depends upon how you are taking your food and how your lifestyle. So do not judge, do not expect, what I want to say is do not expect completely from a product. So do other things as well, like eat healthy and also have a healthy lifestyle, so that will reflect in that will impact more when you use the right product. So these are the three things that you have to keep in your mind when you're buying or trying a new product. So I don't want to give higher expectations on this product. So that's why I gave the genuine review on it. So if you are thinking if it's worth buying, so I would like to say that yeah, it is worth buying. And also why I'm telling it's worth buying is it definitely didn't give you a, I felt it didn't give me the worst experience, at least. It almost tried achieving all the hair goals. So overall experience is good and it is worth buying, worth trying it at least once. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and also give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Until my next video, bye bye.